cordless air conditioner fan. True wireless and portable design, small size, which won't take up a lot of space and can easily carry to anywhere. In summer, the best choice for camping, and you can easily carry it out. Very suitable for homes, offices, outdoor picnics, etc. Rechargeable with DC USB power bank. Big capacity and 2000 mAh 300 ml large water tank can be used for 4 to 5 hours when fill it up. Cold air can be sprayed continuously for several hours to keep the body cool at night for a good sleep. 4 to 5 hours working time with 2000 mAh battery capacity.